Contact me for your hair installation and makeup. Yes, today she is preparing for her graduation ceremony here in UK, London. In case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deg Beauty. This is me in my studio. In case you are not aware, we have studio here in London, Salon Studio. Yes, it's a new one, and we do a lot of services as well. Yes, we are almost done with her hair. I say before I continue with the hair, let me do her makeup. But I'm going to drop the full makeup and the hair installation video after this. I will drop it on my platform. But here we are done. Yes, she's ready for her graduation ceremony. Contact me for your when you want to celebrate your graduation, your marriage ceremony, any type of ceremony, your hair installation, makeup, natural makeup, lad makeup, gele. We do almost everything beauty. Visit my Instagram, Deg Beauty. Yes, we do okoko as well. My number is there. Contact me. God bless you as you do so. I based in London, but I'm available to travel. Yes, this is her rocking her hair and her makeup. So there's the way we do makeup for graduation. There's the way we do makeup for traditional marriage. There's the way we do everything. So tell me what you want. I will give it to you the way you want it. So she's super excited. Congratulations to her. Yes, it's not easy. And the degree, in fact, she came out in first class. A big congratulations to her. The God that did it for her will also do it for you and me and every one of us in the name of Jesus. Yes, this is the graduation ceremony. Please, before you, if you know anyone in UK or you live in UK, try and patronize me. We do photo shoot as well, and we sell makeup product. We sell oil, perfume. We are all in one. For more information, my number, just call my number. Feel free. Call my number. Serious business. I want to thank everyone that will be patronizing me, and for those in the queue that will come and patronize me. Yes, my studio is with appointment. It's not salon walk-in. Only appointment only. Thank you. See you on my next video. I will upload the full video of the hair installation and the makeup. Yes, continue to watch my video and drop your comment down below for me. God will bless you as you do so. May God give us celebration. God give your children celebration. God give your husband, give your wife. God will give us celebration in the name of Jesus. Congratulations to her once again. Thank you. See you.